Hello, and welcome back to Microsoft Word. In this set of lessons, we want to talk about inserting pictures. We want to talk about inserting pictures into a document. Now, you can actually do this to insert a picture before you start a document, but since we already have one created, we want to just enhance this document with pictures. So, to insert a picture, you go to your Insert tab on your tab row, and then you go to Pictures. Now, you do pictures, you click on your drop-down arrow on your pictures, and you either have the option from this device, stock images, or online pictures. So we want to start with, let's take a picture from this device. So when you click on this device, what this is going to do is open up your insert picture option to which you select your picture. This picture we want from here. Yeah, definitely. Now, this is a cute picture. It has nothing to do with the document, but just for the sake of training and teaching, we want to use this picture. Now, when you insert pictures, you have these three dots. You have these dots all around the picture. The dots around the picture are what they call resizing handles. You can either resize them by going in. If you do the corner, your picture will resize symmetrically. If you do the size will stretch it or narrow it, and the tops will decrease it, horizontally. So it's like distort. I don't like the way those look. So we go back here. Keep our picture normal. Now, another feature you have is you have your the handle here where you can orientate or you can reposition your picture by clicking like this right here and dragging. Now, one of the other cool features of pictures is that on Microsoft Office that you have this over here, the layout options. Your layout option is just how it says, is choose how your object interacts with the text around it. If you click here, you see these are your text layout options. You have inline with text, or you have with text wrapping. The majority of times I like to use text wrapping. So with text wrapping, with inline, you have your picture, your words at the top and at the bottom of your picture. With text wrapping, your picture sits more in your text. If you click here on the square will show you here's your picture in the text, and if you move it around so that way it fits in the text more. You can also go up to your ribbons bar, one where it says text wrap, click the drop down arrow, and this gives you the same options as the text here. The good thing about this one is you can actually see the text. Tight just basically means you're getting text a little more tighter. Square is what we have right now, where the picture sits inside the document. Through, you see, click through. Through basically means that your picture goes through. If you move it here, you see how your sentence goes here and ends here, here and here. And so that's your through feature. If you go to your top and bottom, that puts the text on the top of your picture, on the bottom of your picture. If you go behind, this sets your picture behind your text. This generally can be a little bit cumbersome to read. Or you can put it in front. You put it in front, now your picture's in front of your text. If you move your text around, you can see, and I'm sorry, if you move your picture around, you can see that the text is behind your picture. I like square, so we put it back on square. And then we move it over to the corner. So now you see where your text is inside, where it's squared, and your text is squared around your picture. Now, it was to delete this text, and then we show another option of how to insert text. Pictures. Now, to insert a picture, keep in mind that wherever you put your cursor is where your picture is going to be once you insert your picture. So I want to put it right here. You go back to your Insert tab, and then you go back to your pictures, and you click the drop-down arrow. Now, on the drop-down arrow, you have these other options. I want to go to Online Pictures. When you click on the Online Pictures, it's going to give you a list of pictures categorized alphabetically so that you can find whatever picture it is that you want. And you can scroll down and you can see a list of categories. Or you can type in your box of one that you want. What I want for this one is medical mask. I want medical mask. Now you know that this is also powered by Bing. You hit enter, and then here you have a list of masks which are medical, which is what we want to put in our document. Now I want to bring something to your attention. If you see this check mark here where it says Creative Commons only, once you hit the check mark, all of the pictures that show forth under the check mark are legal to use in your document, which means there's no copyright infringements, so you can use these. And so I don't know why I like this one, but I do. So we click and then we insert, and there we have it. We put this picture in our document. The same concept as when we did the picture from our on this device. You can do shape, resize, and move your picture around. If you know right here, it says this photo is by unknown author is licensed under CC, so therefore this photo is easy to use. I mean, legal to use. So we put it here. Just play around a little bit more, and then as I mentioned before, I like this option right here. You just put your text inside your document. I mean, put your text around your picture, your photo. And so there are a lot more things that you can do. This is a lot more fun you can have. But as for right now, we want to just keep it simple and share this with you. Let's move this picture over here just so we can see the text wrapping. And there you have it. Now that's all I have for inserting pictures into our documents. Again, we pray that you're blessed and that this is beneficial for you. And we look forward to seeing you in the next module. God bless you.